Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's a really great news, my brother, and can really a Polygon will hit $2 at the end of month. Completely, my friend. We discuss in this video prediction, and this video we also share opinion, my brother. So kindly holders, you need to watch this video completely and take good, my friend, updates about Polygon coin. So let's start. First of all, I will update you, but my friend, please like this video and also subscribe this channel. You can see, my this time the chain occur update. So last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all chain occurring is on the screen, and you can see here this coin is completely in the loss. So that's a really bad news for all of you. This coin is fails down, my brother. The market cap, you can see this time the rank is absolutely, my friend, it's gonna be 16 now. I hope, my friend, they will completely go into top 10 now, but this is possible if they will hit $2. So let's see, my brother. This time the market cap, you can see here 6 billion, and 24-hour volume, you can see here 53 billion, and you can see here the supply, circulating supply is 6 billion, and you can see here, my friend, the max supply is 1 million, my brother. So billion. So this time you can see here, my friend, the distribution is 63.31%, and that's mean also the prices come very badly decreased now and come to 1.3 USD dollar, 1.03 USD dollar. That's mean to the price is completely in the loss now, and they cannot give you a profit in those days. So what we do, my friends, we need a profit. The main thing, my friend, everybody want a profit. So can they will give us a profit in the end of month? Yes, my brother, there is a 70% chance, so they will hit $2 at the end of this month. But just and only, my friend, that's all. That's just and only possible if you hold. So if you participate now, kindly holder, don't miss this, my friend, big chance. Please hold it, and I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you a very huge profit. So don't miss this chance and take a good profit. See you next time, holder. My prediction is completely gonna be positive now, and I know, my brothers, to at the end of month they will give you a profit. So kindly, if you, my friend, trust on ABS channel, then do what I tell you. I hope you will be never lost. See you next time, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.